Good afternoon, students. I'm Professor G.D. Patil, Assistant Professor in the Department of Processing and Food Engineering, KKO College of Agriculture Engineering and Technology, Nashik. Today's our topic is spray dryer. The spray dryer provides large surface area for heat and mass transfer by atomizing the liquid to small droplets. These are sprayed into the stream of hot air so that each droplet dries to solid particle. That is the principle of spray dryer. The drying chamber resembles the cyclone, ensuring good circulation of air to facilitate heat and mass transfer, and that dried particles are separated by the centrifugal action. So this is the spray dryer consists of air inlet, then liquid feed inlet, atomizer, drying chamber, air outlet, and dry product outlet. Okay. The first product feed into the dryer in the form of liquid, okay, also providing hot air inside the drying chamber, okay. At the same time means atomizers, okay, spray the liquid into fine droplets, okay. At that time at high temperature the product is converted into liquid to solid particles, and these particles drop at the bottom side of the dryer, okay, into spot, discharge spot, okay. Also excess air is out from the drying chamber to the air outlet, okay. The working mechanism of spray dryer: the droplet into crust formations means foamy sphere, collapsed dense particles, also hollow sphere, range cell, hollow sphere, porous shell, fractured sphere, blow holes, collapsed inflated or civil. These are working mechanism of spray dryer, okay, means droplet and then crust formations, okay. And component of spray dryer: the different components in spray dryer. First is centrifugal atomizer. Liquid is fed to the center of rotating disc or ball having a peripheral velocity of 90 to 200 meters per sec. Then droplets 50 centimeter in diameter, 50 to 60 are flanged from the edge to form a uniform spray, okay, means to 60 microns in diameter, okay. Then pressure nozzle atomizer: liquid is forced at a high pressure 700 to 1000 Pascal through small apertures to form droplet sizes of 180 to 50 microns. Grooves on the inside of the nozzle causes the spray to form into cone shape and therefore to use the full volume of drying chamber. Then third component, two fluid nozzle atomizer. Compressed air creates a turbulence which atomizes the liquid. The operating pressure is lower than the pressure nozzle, but wider range of droplets sizes is produced. And last components of spray dryer is ultrasonic nozzle atomizer. This is two-stage atomizer in which liquid is first atomized by nozzle atomizer and then using ultrasonic energy to induce further evaporations, okay. Characteristics of spray dried products, okay. Characterization of spray dried products: products are uniform in appearance and have a characteristic shape in the form of hollow spheres with small hole. This arises from the drying process, since the droplet enters the hot air stream and dries on the outside to form an outer crust with liquid still in the center. This liquid then vaporizes, the vapor escaping by blowing a hole in the sphere. This method of drying allows dry product to retain some properties of feed. Example, drop from an immersed dries with continuous phase on the outside. When they reconstitute, the immersion is easily reformed. Advantages of this drying process: the product properties and quality are more effectively controlled. So heat sensitive foods, biological products, pharmaceuticals can dry at atmospheric pressure and low temperature. Sometimes inert atmosphere is employed. Spray drying permits high tonnage production, continuous operation in relatively simple equipment. So the product comes in contact with equipment surfaces in an unaddressed condition, thus simplifying corrosion problems and selection of materials of the construction. Also, spray drying products relatively uniform spherical particles with nearly the same proportion of non-volatile compounds as in the liquid feed. Also, as the operating gas temperature may range from 152 to 600 degrees Celsius, the efficiency is comparable to that of the other types of direct dryers. And then disadvantages of spray drying: the spray drying fails if high bulk density product is required. In general, it is not flexible. A unit designed for fine atomization may not be produce coarse product and vice versa. So for a given capacity, larger evaporation rates are generally required than the other types of dryers. The feed must be pumpable. Okay. So there is high initial investment compared to other types of dryers. So product recovery and dust collection increases the cost of drying. So these are disadvantages of spray drying. Okay, thank you.